What if the most powerful pharmacy isn't behind a counter, but in your kitchen? From fighting inflammation to balancing blood sugar and boosting immunity, your plate can be your prescription. Today, we're diving into how food can act as real, functional medicine, and how to use it wisely for your health. Welcome to Science and Health Hub TV, where science meets your everyday wellness. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Science and Health Hub TV. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for weekly science-backed videos that empower your health naturally. Today's topic is one that can transform your life: how to use food as medicine. You'll learn how to heal, prevent, and support your body, simply by making smart choices with what you eat. Let's get into it. Food isn't just fuel, it's information. Every bite sends signals to your body, triggering inflammation, healing, energy production, or immune response. Modern research in nutrigenomics shows that food can literally change how your genes express themselves. In fact, 80% of chronic diseases are linked to lifestyle, and food is the biggest factor. So the question isn't, can food heal? But, are you eating to help your body or harm it? Chronic inflammation is behind most modern diseases: heart disease, arthritis, even depression. But some foods naturally calm inflammation. Turmeric with black pepper, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, leafy greens like spinach and kale berries, and colorful vegetables, green tea. Cutting out ultra-processed foods, sugar, and trans fats is just as important. Every meal is a chance to either feed or fight inflammation. Whether you're dealing with diabetes, fatigue, or cravings, balancing blood sugar is key. The solution: fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Some powerful foods to stabilize your glucose: oats, chia seeds, avocados, legumes like lentils and chickpeas, cinnamon. These foods slow digestion and help prevent the energy crash you feel after sugary meals. Consistent blood sugar means consistent energy and mood. Over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, so if you want better immunity, digestion, and mental clarity, start with your microbiome. Healing foods include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut, prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, and bananas, bone broth for gut lining repair, whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, mood, sleep, and resilience to illness. Heart disease and cognitive decline are two of the most feared health conditions. But again, food plays a critical role. For the heart, olive oil, nuts and seeds, garlic, dark leafy greens. For the brain, blueberries, walnuts, fatty fish, dark chocolate in moderation. Eat more of what fuels your brain and protects your heart. It's one system. Longevity isn't just about living long. It's about living well. Studies of the world's longest living people, like those in the blue zones, show that their diets are mostly plant-based, high in fiber and phytonutrients, low in processed meats and refined sugars, full of beans, whole grains, greens, and moderate healthy fats. Use your fork to prevent what pills try to fix. So, can food be medicine? The science says yes. Every cell, organ, and system in your body responds to what you eat. You don't need perfection, you need intention. Start adding more healing foods. Swap what hurts you for what helps you. Food won't replace emergency medicine, but it can become your daily therapy. Your next meal could be your first dose of natural healing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to reclaim their health. Drop a comment below. What food has made a difference in your life? And of course, subscribe to Science and Health Hub TV for more smart, science-based wellness content every week. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious,